In our next example, we'll do something a little more complicated. The absolute value of x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 7. Since we can't get inside the absolute value, we ask ourselves, what do we want it to equal? We want the inside to either be 7 or negative 7, so the absolute value becomes 7. So we write two separate equations to find our two solutions. So our dots will be at 3 and negative 11. This time our dots will be filled in because it is or equal to. Do we fill in between the dots or outside of them? In this case, the absolute value is greater than, so we're going to go outside. To write these first two graphs as inequalities, compound inequalities, we need to rewrite them in a nicer way. We can see that x is less than or equal to negative 11, or x is greater than or equal to 3. So we just write a separate inequality for each of the parts of the graph. On the top one, we forgot to do this earlier, but we can use a 3-part inequality to write that graph. On top, we can say that x is between negative 5 and 5. So we put them smallest to biggest with the less than signs. Negative 5 is less than x is less than 5.